My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I've worked thousands of cases. I've been on all the major news stations. Uh, I have a whole team of former IRS agents. You can find me at 777irs.com. Enough about me. If you're going through an IRS tax audit, a lot of people ask me, should I represent myself or can I? People call me. I know they don't have the money, and it's kind of be it's kind of like being thrown in the lion's den when you go into an IRS audit. If you're positive your records are there, or on a 1 to 10, they're 8 out of 10. There's nothing wrong with you calling them. Nothing. But when you get that pit in your stomach, and you're not sure, especially if you have a business, you're a sole proprietor, corporation, partnership, just do not call them. What you do not know, and I'm not saying this, hey, send me the work. I can do the work, but I'm just trying to tell you what you need to do or should do or think about. When you get that pit in your stomach, that this may not go good, that's when you call. Don't represent yourself in that moment, because it usually doesn't go well. And I'll tell you the reason for this. It's not like you got to rush off and find this person or rush off and call me. Let me tell you the reason. IRS can expand the audit, and you don't want that to happen. What does that mean? Well, when you get your initial notice from IRS, it says, "Hey, we're auditing you. We need to look at this thing. You have an appointment on so and so date." That's just the beginning. IRS can expand this audit and go 3 years up, down, north, south. They can do whatever they want. It just gives them an entryway into your tax return. Just want you to know that. That's why when people, especially have businesses and they're mixing expenses back and forth, they don't have all the receipts, all the records. As former IRS agents, we know how to reconstruct things that you don't. We know how to negotiate things that you don't. We know how to compromise in the way that IRS accepts. Anyway, I think I've said enough. Anyway, like I said, if you get the pit in your stomach, call me. If you don't, my guess is you'll probably be okay. Thank you so much for listening. We do free consultations. Audits are tough. I'll tell you why it's tough to do a consultation on an audit. We don't know what people's records are, but we can at least ask you enough questions and usually discern what's going on. Call me if you need me. Give me a subscription, a like, or whatever the hell these people do. Subscriptions are good. YouTube likes those. Thank you so very much. Share me if you know someone's going through an audit. We really do a really good job for everyone. Thank you so much for listening.